Are you having trouble finding the one? Do you keep settling for the guy who never gets it together, or struggling with getting guys to notice you at all? If so, you aren't alone. Women all over the world have yet to find their knight in shining armor. Why? Simple. Finding a man that fits your needs and creating a strong relationship doesn't just happen by accident. You need to know what it is that's making you invisible, where to find guys that fit your specific wants and needs, what it takes to get their attention, how to keep them interested and wanting more, and the secrets behind their man-speak, commitment issues, and desires. Lover Magnet wants to help. We've created an in-depth, tell-all book that teaches you how to get a boyfriend along with 7 simple steps to keep them attracted. And we're going to give it to you absolutely free. When you visit lovermagnet.com, you can sign up to get the free ebook and more information on how to find the perfect relationship. Don't settle for ice cream, a few cats, and a broken heart. Visit lovermagnet.com and get your free ebook today.